Hi, it's Justin Costello with MarineMax Pompano Beach. Going to show you a walkthrough video of a new 2020 Boston Whaler 280 Outrage. Let's go ahead and step aboard. It's got underwater lights, white Mercury Verados, 300 horsepower. Nice entry here on the starboard side. Quick access right here to your battery charger. Two large in-floor insulated fish boxes and a large bait well right here behind the console. Nice and deep, LED lit, hand basin, fold out bench seat here in the stern. Nice tackle drawer storage right there. As we work our way forward, notice the nice captain's chairs, flip down armrests, bolsters, vented seat backs for those hot Florida days. Got room here to put any kind of electronics package that you want. It does have Fusion Bluetooth stereo as well as a Raymarine VHF radio. And going forward here, we have a lockable head compartment, vacuum flush toilet, overboard discharge, freshwater shower. Really nice amenities for you, your friends, and your family. Nice chaise sun lounger here on the bow, wraparound seating, flush deck. You also got a bow shade that clips to the hard top. And I love the storage that's available on this boat. This is lockable storage under here. Notice the gas assist struts and stainless steel, the real rubber gasket, and tons of storage down here for your rods, suitcases, luggage, fishing gear, whatever you wish to put on the boat. Again, this boat is a 2020 Boston Whaler 280 Outrage. Over here at MarineMax Pompano Beach, give me a call, Justin Costello, 954-633-2070.